Yes, we made it and we closed the weekly put credit spreads and we made about $80 and we opened a new one and we made about $70. So now we are at $150 for the weekly put credit spreads and we still about $205 for the monthly put credit spreads. Let's see what happens. As you can see, we opened this put credit spreads at 27 of April and the price was about $716 and it dropped as low as $709 and we still made money. This is the most beautiful thing about put credit spreads. You just need to give it time and you will make money. Now we are going to see how I close my trade. As you see, I open the application when the market is open and I choose the weekly put credit spreads. I choose close, so I want to close them because we are in the green. As you see, I hit the market price and I hit paper trade, so we are going to pay $20 and we get it $100. So this is $80 from profit from this put credit spreads. As you see, this was very good trade for us and we made $80 and that's very good for me. I had paper trade and this is going to fill immediately and just like that we made $80. Now I am going to see what happened in my monthly put credit spreads. If I want to close it right now, I open, and if I want to close it right now, I think I need to pay about $255. If I'm not wrong, yes, we are going to pay $255 and we get $205 and that would be a loss for a $50 and we wouldn't do that. So we will give it time. It has a plenty of time, about 29 days later. Now I am going to open a new weekly put credit spreads to make more money because that was very good strategy. I hit on SPY and this is the option chain. I choose the 7th of May, 7 days later, and I choose the first to strike price to see how much money I can get, and I want this week to make about $70. It's very good for me, and if I sell this put credit spreads I will get about $70. As you see, credit for $70, and I will do it for sure because the break-even price is 688 and now SPY is up 714 and that's about 40 plus 12, it's like $26 it need to drop, so we break even and it filled immediately and we just made $70. And now we will see the put credit spreads I just opened. What is the look of it? As you see, I am going to sell the 689 in the 7th of May and I will buy the 688 also in the 7th of May. I will choose 10 contract because we are going to sell 10 contract. It will mean $1,000 and I will hit calculate. As you see, our property of profit will be about 94% and that's very good. Our break even is $688 and that's the beautiful thing about put credit spreads. You just need to give it time. Even if the price go down, you will make money as long as you manage your put credit spreads and roll it in the exact time and hit stop loss and hit break even and you manage it as the way you want. I am very happy with this strategy and I am going to test it and test it and test it, and we are going to make money together and we are going to learn together. And that's our spreadsheet for the weekly put credit spreads. As you can see, we opened the last one at the 27th of April and we sell 10 contract and the expiration date was the 1st of May and we get $100, but we close it at the 30th of April and we pay $20, so our net profit is $80. And we just open a new put credit spreads, as you see, and we open it in the 30th of May and we sell also 10 contract and it will expire at 7th of May and we get $70 of it as a premium, and that's very good. We will see what happened in the end of this trading day. And we are now in the end of this trading day, and as you see, this is the monthly put credit spreads and the new weekly put credit spreads. If I want to close the monthly put credit spreads, I need to pay premium. We got from it credit for $205. Now if I want to close it, I need to pay about $185, and this is put us in $30 profit. I want to give it more time because we can sell it for we can buy it for a cheaper price and we can make more money. And now we are going to see about the weekly put credit spreads that we sell it today. If I want to close it right now, as you see, I get from it $70, and now if I want to close it, I need to pay about let's say $40, so that's $30 profit in in the first trading day, and that's very good for me, but I want to let it have more time and so it can become cheaper. And for this day, it was very good day. Please subscribe if you like this content. Bye.